What is your name?
My name is Sukhdev Goswami.
What is your process, bhakti?
This is my seva. 6 Goswami sevas and Damodar sevas I am doing here.
You station?
Yes.
Goswamis?
Goswami. This is Rupa Goswami. Once upon a time his real name is Tadrup Goswami. Amar Goswami is the first name. The Mahaprabhu changed his spiritual name is Tadrup Goswami. Tadrup, not Rup Goswami. Tadrup Goswami is the original name. This is Sanatan Goswami. His original name was Santosh. Now Mahaprabhu changed his name Sanatan Goswami. Srila Jiv Goswami, the brother, the cousin of Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. Rup Goswami, Sanatan Goswami and Anupam Goswami's son is Srila Jiv Goswami Pad. Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. He is actually one of the best spiritual masters in the spiritual world that right now. This is Gopal Bhatta Goswami, son of Venkat Bhatta Goswami. This is Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. He is also spiritual masters. He is learning everything. It's Mahaprabhu from Mahaprabhu at Gambhira in Puri.
Goswami, what is important?
His name. This is Rup Goswami. His original name was Amar Goswami. The Mahaprabhu changed his name. Spiritual name is Tadrup Goswami. Like then Sanatan Goswami. His original name is Santosh. Mahaprabhu changed his name Sanatan Goswami. In Jiv Goswami Pad, he is son of Anupam Goswami Pad, brother of Rup Goswami of Sanatan Goswami. Sri Jiv Goswami Pad, this is Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami Pad, this is Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, this is Venkat, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, is Venkat Swami, the South Indian spiritual master, Brahman, South Indian spiritual Brahman, son of South Indian spiritual masters, in Venkat Bhatta Goswami.
What is very important means?
This is a very, very important thing. Is like that. They are all once upon a time at Dapur Yug. They are Manjuri. It's all of Manjuri. Manjuri is a Radharani and Krishna's extension. It's very near. He is very close to stay with them. This is Rup Goswami. At Dapur, he is Rup Manjuri. Now, the change his gender change. In Kali, Rup Goswami, he is a man, and at Dapur Yug, his Rup Manjuri was woman. Sanatan Goswami is Lavanga Manjuri. Jiv Goswami, Bilash Manjuri, Raghunath Goswami, Ras Manjuri, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Guna Manjuri, Raghunath Das Goswami, Lila Manjuri.
Okay, one moment. Richard, Chain.